Alright, this car has misfiring in this car. So if you don't have uh, this plug coil tester, you can also use plug, you know, to test the coil, which one is not working. So this car is misfiring. I scanned it. It didn't show me any coil that is misfiring. So what I'm going to do right now, I'll be using this to detect the coil that is not working. I'm going to do it manually. Get the camera very close. While I start the car, it's not starting. Wow, it's starting. You can see lights. Oh! This one is working. I have to lose the whole coil out. I know one of it is not working and working here. Here's number 2. Of the back 2. Alright, let's go. Power skip. You can see it's packing. Off. I have to use all the coil. You can also use plug to Alright, this is the third one here. I need to test all 2. I know it's one that is not working or 2, but should be 1. Kick. Okay, let's check another one. I need to get one coil, but let me remove the last one before going to the other side. This is the number 3. Because I scanned this car, didn't indicate any of the coil that is misfiring, so I just want to check it manually so I can see which of them is misfiring. Alright, this is the 4th one. Start the car. Yeah, it's working. Off. I think let me just get this one off from here. That is misfiring. The 3rd one. Let me get another coil. it. Who's that? So I have to change the coil with another fairly used one. Wow. Starts. Oh. Okay. I have the number 3 in the bank 2. That is not working fine. So start. So guys, if this is your first time coming across of my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Memory to Mobile Technical Services. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.